Tonight I'm going to talk to you about a manual tire mounting machine that I made. I'm going to make this short and sweet. I'm going to put another video later on to show you how it works. I'm not going to use it tonight because I just finished painting it and I just want to make sure it's all dry. Basically, I'm going to go around just to show you what kind of apparatus it is. It's actually all racking from a convenience store where I work, and it's all welded on. I use the 70 amp stick rod welder from Canadian Tire. It's actually does the job. I used 60-13 rods, so it kind of weld pretty fast. One thing you got to be really careful is that once you're going to build this, you got to be very careful the way you're going to build the bead breaker. The bead breaker has to be really strong because sometimes breaking a bead is pretty hard. And also you got to make sure it's all adjustable for the height. The first one I did was too high, and it didn't work that good, so I made a adjustable bracket below. Works pretty good. The top, this is actually a dumbbell that I used from previous working out. And this is a donut I made out of wood, and this bracket underneath here, it's full of holes, and those holes are used to put the tire on top. It's quite easy. Put the tire on top. I made two nice brackets. These little bolts. They're just bolts that you're gonna turn a hole like this. There's a donut, wooden donut I made, and this bracket is actually a scrap steel. And you weld this on. Sorry, try to go as fast as possible. There you go. Once this is screwed on, it doesn't move. I actually made a nice bar from a stainless steel bar that I had. This is actually all scrap that are welded double on. I actually heated them pretty hot, and then I soaked them in oil to temper them to make sure they're strong enough. This part here is to put the tire back on, and this part here is to put the tire off. So once the bead is broken, you put a lot of soap around it, you just grab it, lift it up, and you turn it around like this. You do the same thing for the other side. So it's quite a little machine. It's nice. I actually can buy one for like 70 bucks. This one took about 60 hours to build, but it's quite fun. Spend time in the garage and you make it working. So if you guys have any question or anything, just give me a call. Just send me an email. I'm not used to YouTube. It's my first video. Just send me an email. I'll make sure I'll get to you guys as fast as possible, because I remember when I built it, I had quite a problem and I had nobody to call, so I was kind of pissed off. So if I can give you guys a hand, just send me an email. It's actually nice. It's quite easy to build, and it's quite fun to use. And actually it's nice so you don't get ripped off by the garage, because it's every time. And I bought this little ball insert tool store I have not far from here. So it's quite a nice little kit. So if you guys have any question, just give me a call. Just give me a message. Sorry again. And then I'll make sure I'll get to you guys as fast as possible. So keep building something on.